We've got some beautiful fish in the water. I don't know if you can see them. They're down there, swimming around. Some beautiful boats. Overcrowded city. And a beautiful sunny day. Hello, welcome to the Excellent Universe channel. You can see a lot of videos that are going to help you out when you click on the Excellent Universe words down below. And welcome back, or welcome friends, and please click on the thumbs up, click on subscribe, and make comments, and you can share the videos with other people. This video is about the sunshine and questions of the electromagnetic fields. So what is electromagnetic radiation, and what is the electromagnetic field or fields associated with it is a real mystery. And it may have something to do with dark matter and dark energy, the expansion or contraction of the universe, the whole everything in the universe. And I'm just pointing out the mystery and showing that we can do a lot more to understand the universe. We haven't solved all the problems, and it's an interesting issue that you might want to investigate and look into. And if you understand it, please let everybody know, because I have a master's degree in education, and I can tell you people don't understand what basic particle is causing, say, magnetism or electromagnetic radiation. And don't say it's the electrons. I'm talking about the fields. So we don't understand the fields, and there may be some particles or some mass or something, even a fluid, or some other basically state of energy or matter that we don't understand. Because you can measure fields and describe them, but if you're a scientist or if you understand them, people do not, the average person doesn't understand it, and a better job needs to be done to explain in terms of like some kind of particle or strength or something. The fields are not understood, and by almost everybody. And do they have something to do with dark matter or dark energy? And so there's the question of, is the universe expanding, contracting? Is it a static universe? We have the view right now, most scientists or the cosmologists or astrophysics say, oh, the universe is expanding because we have a redshift. The light coming from more distant stars and galaxies is shifted toward the red. And they say that's evidence that it's expanding, and the farther away it is, the faster it's going. And they say it's speeding up, as if there's some energy drawing and speeding up the expansion of the universe. But what I'm saying is, with dark matter and dark energy, which they propose exist, although we don't have any evidence, direct evidence of what it is, but they say it's the dark energy that is causing the expansion and perhaps the acceleration of the universe. Well, maybe, but there could be something else to do with magnetic fields and all the photons that move through space that actually cause the redshift. Plus gas, dust, and other things, maybe we just simply can't detect it, and the electromagnetic fields could cause a lack of ability to detect dust and gas from a distance. And if it's very very rare, it's not concentrated into a star, and it's being bombarded by photons all the time and electromagnetic fields, which, as I point out again, we don't understand really what the fields are caused by. Like a magnet, what is it about a magnet that can attract iron. You can say, oh, it's the alignment of the molecules, the alignment of the spins of the electrons in the atoms, that they're all aligned, and so therefore it's going to cause magnetism. That's fine, but a deeper understanding of, okay, they're aligned, but why does that cause magnetism, and what is it about the electrons? There may be some undetectable other particle or fluid that is sort of reaching out and interacting with the iron or whatever when you're talking about a magnet. And so undetected, too small, not enough mass or something, that, this is actually maybe dark matter and dark energy right here. That's all around us in these fields, and we don't understand it. Okay? So if you're wondering what dark energy is, the answer is we don't know. And actually, because right now we don't even know all the moons of the planets in our own solar system. We're discovering new ones. We have been discovering new moons, and we certainly don't know all the material even in our own solar system. And because it's so far away, we can't detect it, very difficult. So dark energy might not exist, dark matter might not exist. There could be other explanations and other reasons for what we see. The universe might not be expanding, even though the light is shifted to the red. It could be caused by dust that we can't detect. It could be caused by regular matter, and the reason why we can't detect it could be caused, as I said, by electromagnetic fields, some photons that interact in a way that we don't expect. So there could be other reasons that make it's possible that dark matter doesn't exist or dark energy doesn't really exist. But maybe we need a new classification, like a new type of what we consider matter and energy, and we need a better explanation of the fields. So maybe fields are actually dark matter and dark energy, or the fields, electromagnetic fields, cause the effects that we are calling dark matter and the effects that we are calling dark energy. So it could be something that we can easily observe, but we need to explain it in a better way. And as I said, we might need a new classification of matter and energy, which is like fields. And they, maybe there's an innate energy in the fields, or even some kind of matter that's very hard to detect and is causing what we call dark matter phenomenon. So, and why do I make this video? Because scientists are so headstrong and so sure of their explanation, but then they change it, or the leadership or whatever. So in the past, they said the Earth was the center of the universe, and then, oh no, the sun is the center, and then, oh no, our galaxy is the center. They keep changing and saying, oh, we didn't understand it, but now we fully understand. That's nonsense to fully understand. First of all, if we have an infinite amount of time, that means the past is infinite, and how to put enough evidence together to know everything about the past is impossible. It's just theoretically, by logic, it's going to be impossible. Same thing about the future. Same thing about the laws of physics, the expansion of the universe, or not expansion, or the contraction. It could be contracting right now and we might not understand it. It's all a mystery, and to say you have the final answer, boy, no, I don't want to hear that. You're just too confident. You are overconfident, you astrophysicists. like Neil deGrasse Tyson and good old Carl Sagan, the late great Carl Sagan, and other popular astronomers and cosmologists. Don't say that you're always so confident and give these answers. Please, I would rather hear you explain it as our current understanding is there might be some dark matter, there might be some dark energy. You are much more believable when you say that. Much more. So I would appreciate that. And for you young people out there, or possible scientists or good thinkers, look into explaining, if you understand magnetic fields and electromagnetic fields, explain it much better to the general population if you can, please. And you might come up with a new substance or whatever, some kind of great explanation, and we would all appreciate it. Because right now, it's a mystery, it's an opportunity for you, if you can figure it out, to explain it to everybody. And I'm not talking about calculations, like there are electrical engineers and scientists that can do calculations to explain the force of the fields and everything like that, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm saying explain what the fields are, because in terms of like some other basic underlying force or particle or fluid or something that people can truly understand, not just calculations and mathematical calculations. And if it's impossible to do so, maybe it would be wonderful to explain that, but leaving just as a mystery, as it's just a field, and not explaining what the field is sort of a sad situation, which we've had for many decades. And as far as I'm aware, and I've got a master's in education, and I've never seen a good explanation of what these fields are, magnetic fields or electromagnetic fields. And so there's some opportunity out there. You can really help people out by explaining this